What's up, everyone? Here's a quick install of the KellTrac long travel coilover install. Hope you like a little bit of the content that I did this afternoon. So like, comment, subscribe, and check out my gear sets next. Now that the stock strut is out, we got the new KellTrac long travel coilover we're going to install. It's all out of there. So we have this bracket that comes with the coilover. Just going to go ahead and drop that in place. Or not. There we go. Drop it in place. Sticks up through there. All we gotta do is bolt that to the end of this and bolt the strut up, and we're good to go. So here we go. Voila! Stretcher installed. All I gotta do, brakes on, with the caliper, go test it out. Look at all that travel we got going on now. We gained about 3 inches over stock suspension with the BMR drag springs. So good to go. Just lower it down and go for a test drive. There he is. Finished product. Let's get some. So one thing I didn't mention was Kelly supplies this tool so you can go ahead and loosen or tighten your strut whenever you need to. So the tool just sits on top. You do clockwise to loosen it, and you do counterclockwise to tighten the strut. So right now I have it all the way loose for the street. So that is definitely a good tool to have, and it's nice and easy to use. So we got my ride height set, so it looks pretty good. We also have 355 gears next that we need to install, and also my TBM brakes. So once I get a fitting for my AMS, we can go make some street rips and see how the new front suspension does, and see if I can get some traction. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, and check back for the next video. Thanks, guys.